We've gotten this question a lot from our community, and it deserves its own video. The question is, how do I protect my online course from piracy? And my question to you is, why? Why do you feel like you need to protect your online course any more than it already is? Do you feel like you're under attack? Do you feel like your business is leaking millions of dollars due to that theft? Welcome to a Scott Moran Tough Love segment, and I'm here to tell you that you don't need to protect your online course any more than it already is. Especially if you're using a tool like SamCart Courses, then your best content is securely behind a paywall. And beyond that, no one is really out to steal your content. And I get the concern, but being afraid of someone stealing your content is just another reason not to take action and actually start selling. Many of you who are on your way to launching online courses that are going to earn you thousands of dollars. But if you let it, that fear and that insecurity will drive your success out the door. This is the sort of thought that keeps people from even getting started. So listen, we talked about being unique in our new 14-day course creation challenge. We covered how having a unique title and a unique story will help you sell more of your course. But you know what is the most unique thing that you bring to the table? It's you. No one can copy who you are. No one can copy your point of view. So soak in this mindset. Take it in, watch this video again to get the message through into your brain and into your DNA. Don't invest a ton of time and energy trying to stop that one person out of 10,000. Focus on creating awesome content that is going to thrill the 9,999 other people that are excited to buy your stuff. Never run your business from a standpoint of fear. You are here to help your customers and change their lives for the better. My name is Scott Moran. I'm the co-founder here at SamCart. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next video.